Can natural minerals help someone fight depression? Yes. When people think of depression, they think of it as a psychological issue. And I'm not saying it isn't, but the fact is that it's a bit of a chicken and an egg syndrome. Depression can lead to not taking care of oneself, which can lead to dehydration, deficiency, and general malaise. Then using drugs or alcohol to contend with the overwhelm of life can exacerbate these physical symptoms, sending a person deeper into depression. But what if you could give your body energy really simply, without having to turn over a new leaf, start going to the gym 3 times a week, or get on a new diet? What if one of the root causes of the problem is deep inside your cells, not just in your psychology or a result of past experiences? And what if you could support change in your mental state by supporting the cells in your body so that they could generate enough energy to get you off the couch? Let me share a true story. There's a man in Canada whose wife suffered from manic depression. She tragically took her own life. And the man had a son, and they got along fairly well after their loss, but then as the son grew up, he also began to present some of the same symptoms as his mother. One day the man was speaking to a dear friend about his son, when the friend, who was a pig farmer, said, "You know, that sounds a lot like my pigs when they don't get their minerals." This aha moment led the two of them to develop a plant-based mineral supplement that not only helped the man's son, but is now known in mental health circles to be effective for supporting people who experience mental health issues. But how could minerals help the brain and support a healthy psychological state? Let's break it down. So the energy in your body, absolutely all the energy in your body, is produced in the mitochondria. Mitochondria are the power plants inside your cells. These energy-generating units are fueled by, guess what? Minerals and amino acids. The signals in your body that dictate how you feel from moment to moment are driven by something called neurotransmitters. These are the amino acids. But these neurotransmitters rely on information messengers called neurons. And there are like 86 billion neurons in your brain. The important thing to know about these neurons is that they are the key to transmitting information between different areas of your brain and between the brain and the rest of your nervous system. A single neuron in your brain can have upwards of 2 million mitochondria, those energy-generating units. So here's the most important piece you need to know. Every single one of those mitochondria requires minerals to generate energy. The energy necessary for cognition and for the neurotransmission of important things like serotonin or endorphins, which support that positive attitude about life that we all want to have.